Hey there! Today we're diving into a common Excel problem where we need to optimize connections between fibers based on loss values. The facility loss table contains fiber numbers and their respective loss values, while the mapping table needs to be filled with facility fibers meeting a specific tolerance. Sounds like a tricky problem, right? Let's talk about the solution now. The formula provided is quite clever. It uses XLOOKUP to check if the loss value is within tolerance. If it is, the UUT fiber is selected. If not, it finds the next best available fiber with a loss value within tolerance. This ensures optimal connections while maintaining clarity in setup. It's a neat way to automate the process efficiently. In summary, we discussed a smart formula to optimize fiber connections in Excel based on loss values. With a few adjustments, you can ensure the best possible setup for your scenario. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks. Goodbye for now.